On my day off, I choose peace. I choose to visit the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Sa gitna ng lahat ng nangyayari, sa kabila ng takot at pagod, I still found myself walking through the streets of Jerusalem, searching for something deeper, something spiritual. Pagod ang katawan ko, yes, but my heart, it feels full. Habang naglalakad ako papasok sa simbahan, I felt this kind of silence na hindi mo ma-explain. Hindi siya tahimik lang, it's peaceful. Parang every steps brings you closer to God. This place is not just a church. It's where faith becomes real, where prayers feel heavier but also lighter at the same time. I stood there quietly praying, thanking God for protection, for life, and for giving me this chance to be here again. Hindi lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataong makapunta dito, and I don't take that for granted. Sa panahon ng ceasefire, we are given a little moment of calm, and I use it to reconnect, to reflect, and to be grateful. Pagod man sa work, sa responsibilities, but moments like this remind me why I keep going. Life here is not always easy, but God never fails to remind me that I am never alone. Today, I didn't just visit a holy place. I felt healing. I felt hope. Grateful. Always grateful. And most of all, I felt peace. Thank you all for watching. Follow, like, and share.